Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Myntri Lyngba kajela ukonrat sangma uloong ba uba Jingïalang ula syakri kajela badia kibri ula laipu arsnem badmenta kasngi kadi kasngi bakhadu maunyo banishim benta ha ka Jingïalang ki Kynhun Myntri haba ai jingkren jekla pathai kubor ha ka laipu tarik unailur arhaja apusan ukonrat ula ai gajing kublei na kalyang ki Kynhun Myntri ka sorkar barbaro ki betre lang bat u ha kini ki laipu arsnem balayat bat kumjuru na kalyang kajela baro kawai shu ula penbena baka sorkar kala pelat pat ba ya ka cabinet ha ka ba ya ka Jingïalang ki Kynhun Myntri onla ban penlong Lyngba ka online bat onla ban yo ban pet biang ya ki rai ki ba ka Jingïalang kala de ban rai ha ki por bala dep kabala ru ban pet ki mat ki ba kongsan bat ru ki agenda ki ba thamai na ka banta ka Jingïalang ki ban salong hadin om tang kata uloong ba ya ki rai onla ru ban shim Lyngba ka online khnang ba om dan kamshu ban yad Lyngba ki kot kisla
Lang will be retiring today, and he has given about 32 years of service to the state and to the people. And today, of course, was his last cabinet meeting. And I want to officially place on record my sincere appreciation and and gratitude to him on behalf of the cabinet and on behalf of the government and all its employees and the state as a whole for the committed and the service that Jingïalang has given to the state of Meghalaya. I also would like to mention that today we have officially also launched the e-cabinet, which means that slowly and steadily we are seeing papers. We've been seeing papers in the past, but now the entire cabinet process will be all online through a software, which is obviously very secure and only available to the cabinet ministers, only available on particular gadgets. So only on this particular gadget I'll be able to access the e-cabinet, where of course we will have all the past records of all the cabinet decisions taken in the past. Subject wise, we'll be able to search the different cabinet decisions. The agendas for the next cabinet meeting will come on this e-cabinet. We can go through it. And not only that, the approval also will be done online so that it will become a paperless cabinet, and we'll be able to perform the responsibilities and duties electronically. And all the, as I said, the agenda and the papers and everything will slowly, we will be having a paperless cabinet meetings in the future. So these were the few